Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I am at Anfield and this is an impromptu video today. I wasn't coming to film the ground, but I saw there's something attached to the big crane, so I thought I'd call into the car park, see what's going on. I got my drone with me because I was going to film something else, and they put a span on the another front span on that shoulder section. You see it there at the front. Like, let's get right up and go over it because it looks like it's touching the Kenny stand. Oh, there it is. There, it's very close, isn't it? So yeah, a little bit more development on there because someone was asking the other day about front spans. So yeah, there's one there. There's going to be one on the other side. I assume there'll be two more going in there because that looks like a big gap there. So yeah, I don't know. Let's get round the front. Bit windy today as well. So something noticeably different. Yeah, it's very windy, very cold. There it is from the front. Because I want to be this end anyway for the little bit of news, if you like, that I'm going to give out. So I can't spend too long on this. But yeah, there's people on the roof there. Don't want to get too close, don't want to. I'm very high because that crane is massive now because it's been extended, and that's why it's on the floor for a while. That goes right in the air, that thing, so I am way above that, so then I'm not even going to see this drone. Oh yeah, there we go there. Right, I'm going to go over to... You know what I can do from here. So, section of land here that people keep asking about, which is originally going to be a hotel. Being announced this week that it's going to be called it's called Anfield Square. So let me get my notes out of what I know so far. There's not a lot of information on it, so right, so this patch of land here is called Anfield Square. Now there's been information released this week. It says it's 1 hectare in size, which is about 2.5 football pitches. I thought hectare would be massive. I thought it would be like the size of a park, but that shows what I know about size and space. It was originally going to be a 100-bedroom hotel. It was anticipated to be a Hilton Garden Inn, but that obviously didn't happen. So here's a couple of pictures of what it was going to look like had the hotel been there. I think these are just, you know, different types of pictures that they had plans of. Oh, let me just get around this way a touch. There we go. A picture of all the land there, the housing. So this is what they say. It's this square represents a unique opportunity to create something special for the Anfield community. So they want developers to buy it. That's what it's for sale basically. And the new development is rooted and focused on community inclusion as well. So that's their words of what they want for it. So make it that what you will. My thoughts on it: I knew it was never going to be a hotel because I just think a hotel would work in this area. The B&Bs, yeah, but not at like a, you know, full-scale Hilton hotel. I just don't think it would work in this area. Nice. I think now Liverpool Football Club brings in a lot of tourism. Turn it into, build a museum there, and I mean a proper history museum. You know, not like the one got its ass too big, but just have a look at some of the work going on here while I'm talking about this. Yeah, you know, as we're in Anfield, this area's got a lot of history behind it. So is Everton, so is Kirkdale, so is Walton, so is West Derby. You know, there's tons and tons of history in this area, so it's a museum. Now there's no plans to make it into like a housing development, and I don't think there is any plans to make it into a housing development. And you wouldn't get a lot of houses on there, because that space was occupied by about 150 houses, but they were terraced. No one wants terraced houses anymore. You want back gardens, so you're going to get less than half that if you build houses there. And are people going to want to live that close to the grounds? Probably not. But let me know what you think it should be. I think a museum, a history museum of the area. I'd like to hear everyone's thoughts on it. This is a very rushed video, by the way, because I wasn't planning on getting the ground in it well, so I'm just going to come around. I'm just going to see where this corner section will fit in here. It's going to be a tight squeeze, that, innit? To where that is. How do you want to do that? Again, I'm not a construction worker, I don't know. Well, there's the mowers on the pitch again. There's not a game here for a while, so. But yeah, just a little bit of news on Anfield Square, what people think about it, what your ideas for the area would be. So I'll have a little more look at the site. You know what, let's have a look down here, because I saw this crane attached to something. We are. So there's that other span getting built there. Loads of loads of pieces and parts down there, so that's going to be the next span to go up, so that's going to go on that corner, but I just don't see where it's going. The roof looks though it's in the way. Oh, look. I'd be interested to see that when it goes up. Right, let me have a top down view while I'm here. Well, you got the span getting built there at the top of that crane. Looks very clear down there. We'll have to be to get that crawler crane moving along, doesn't it? The last time I was here, that was all in pieces on the floor. Looks like there's more stuff getting ready to get built there as well. Very interesting. Anyway, very impromptu video. Any questions, anything you want to see, anything that you know that I don't about the build, let me know. Again, if you like the video, like it. If you like the channel, subscribe please, help me grow. I'm just in the process of making another video solely in the house as well. It's a top 10 video, so I'll see how that gets accepted, so look out for that over the weekend. That's going to be ready over the weekend. I've wrote out a script for it, and I need to put my voice to it, basically. Yeah, let me know what you think of that one, okay? Right, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and as always, look after yourselves guys, and I'll speak to you all soon.